gonna have to barter with you, Chloe.
Apparently there's some controversy that she's a fake eater.
Having watched some of her workout, I think it's going to be easy.
So can guys do my workouts? I see that ask all the time. So today we're gonna explore that. We're gonna check out some gym bros trying my workouts. To be honest, I'm a little bit terrified because as you guys know, there are a number of people bashing my workouts, bashing my look, bashing what I eat. Okay, I'm gonna be brave today. I'm gonna check it out. So you guys subscribe, give this video 100,000 likes. Okay, we can do it. Just do it for me. I'm gonna start the first video. I'm not scared, I'm not scared, I'm not scared. It's fine, it's fine.
I was gonna have to start doing one of these try videos to get views, but that's what YouTube Fitness is becoming. The entire platform is about trying now. For this channel to grow, I might have to do the same thing. So time to take drastic measures, and I will be performing a Chloe Ting workout. So I can unironically say for the first time that I am doing gym tings. She's got 19.2 million subscribers. I'm gonna have to barter with you, Chloe. Okay, we're gonna go Shark Tank here. I'm seeking 5% of your subscriber base.
Why 5%? No.
If I could just get 5% of your follower share, I'll give you Big Shirley and the whole kit and caboodle. That's the name of my squat rack, Big Shirley. So respond if you like the offer.
I'm not that influential. I'm not James Charles. I'm not PewDiePie. I can't tell people what to do. And also, how are you gonna send that Big Shirley to Australia? And I don't really want it anyways. I don't want your Big Shirley. I have my own Shirley. It's called Sean. Okay, let's just check out his channel, alright? If you like his stuff, maybe subscribe. I can't tell you what to do. I don't know anymore these days. Everyone's sus to me. But I like that he has videos about body dysmorphia for guys, and that's not something people talk about.
All right, let's take a look at this menu and see what she has. We can do the 15-minute HIIT workout to burn calories. We got the 10-minute cardio. No. Grow a booty without growing the legs. 10-minute sexy arms and back. Small waist and round butt workout. All right, let's stick with the bread and butter. We're gonna try her 11-line abs workout.
Let's go, let's go.
I don't know what that accent is. I was gonna say Australian. Wow, we got like the same color scheme on? I literally didn't even plan that, bro.
For sure. You definitely planned it. I have trust issues. I can't believe you, okay? What's with the angle? I'm just seeing your feet. Oh, what the hell? Do it.
I don't even know if I can do this.
Wow, really great angles. Wow,
My back's popping, dude. Yo, I have no flexibility at all, dude.
Blame it on flexibility. Sure.
This looks like when girls do this thing on the leg press. I still don't get what's going on. This looks ridiculous. What is she doing?
No, both side crunch. Do it. Stop complaining. Okay, at least they're keeping me entertained. It's turning red.
Wow.
See? Guys,
wow, dude.
We are strong, okay? We girls are strong.
She's not very motivational to me.
I'm not. Okay, not the freaking feet again. Not the feet again.
This is not easy.
Yes, it's not that easy. I hate that people always think that it's just a girl's workout. It's like they're trying to invalidate a workout.
That was actually harder than I thought it would be. I haven't done a workout like one body part. That's a bro split, essentially. Just ab exercise after ab exercise. I haven't done that style of training in years. People that are new, I mean, I'm experienced and this was pretty difficult. If you're new, this will probably put you to sleep. But hey, it's better than nothing, man.
So I believe that was a guy and he did my workout and he found it challenging. So stop asking this question. He actually seems like a nice dude. So check out his channel. Give him a little watch. Leave him some comments too.
On everybody, Will here. Welcome to the video. Today, my mom and I are gonna be following Chloe Ting's diet, but not just her regular diet, her fat loss diet. So everyone listen up, including you, Mom.
When did I have a fat loss diet? It's just SEO, man. It's obviously just a title. This is why I hate YouTube sometimes. What about my kawaii diet? Why don't you try out my kawaii diet?
Apparently there's some controversy that she's a fake eater.
Secret's out, guys. I'm a fake eater. I just don't eat. I'm a robot.
I don't know. You know what? I don't think so.
Yeah?
No.
I mean, the portions are big. She's 5'1", 110 pounds. And the reason why Mom's in the video is, I mean, I love her and she's beautiful, but also she's also
mom
110
is really
pounds,
pretty.
So you kind of like a nice way to
Very
kind of see,
beautiful.
you know, how you feel.
I have a good appetite.
Yeah, you do. She does, yeah. Luckily, she actually has all of her recipes posted on this website, so we're actually gonna make it
shout out to
exactly
my
how it's shown.
website.
videos.
Will,
to let
I'm
you guys
liking
know
you a little
if
bit
you
more
can
now.
First recipe of the day, we are making our healthy, fluffy waffles. And I love to start my morning off with a waffle. They are just the perfect canvas to express yourself. They look actually beautiful. I feel like this video is gonna be more about like making Instagram worthy looking food than actually cooking it.
I know, because
Yeah.
she likes pink.
I do like pink a lot. Oh, some nice B-roll. Reminds me of my old videos when I actually put in the effort. Wow, that actually looks identical. Really nice. I actually want to eat it now.
So let's go in for a taste test here. I'm excited. I'm gonna be harsh on it because we spent an hour cooking it.
You spent an hour cooking it because you used it to film.
It's not bad. Don't get me wrong, it's not bad. I mean, it's actually, you know what? Damn, it's good.
It's not bad, but it's good. This guy can't make up his mind.
Got some Barbie shit.
Look at yours is all the sauce. That's why mine is dry. Look at the inside of mine.
So since you're on YouTube, you know, you can't really enjoy your food. Because we're gonna time lapse this whole thing in just a second. Because we ain't fake eaters here, we don't spit.
Who the hell still time-lapse on YouTube? That's so 2018, alright?
And this is where she stopped in her video, directly down the center. So what do you make of that? Like, what do you think here? That she just stopped halfway?
Very sus.
Okay, you got me. I'm the imposter.
So portion-wise, is this like within your ballpark realm? Yeah. Honestly, when I was watching like the video, doing like my research on this, I was kind of surprised people were saying she's a fake eater because it doesn't really make sense to me. It's literally not that much food, and it seems like a lot of volume of food, but the food is so
thanks.
calorie like it's
You're
not
smart
that calorie
guy.
dense food.
I like
You
you,
know?
Will. Yeah, it's not that much food. Like it's a lot of fiber, a lot of volume because it's a lot of vegetables as well. But in terms of calories, it's not a lot.
Okay guys, so we are about to do one of Chloe Ting's workouts. Her most popular workout on her YouTube channel, 316 million views. So I don't know if I had that, if I'd be happy or scared. Like I actually don't know. But I feel like you need that many views to afford the waffles that we just made because those were expensive. The ingredients were like a couple $100. Like it cost me like 75 bucks.
Are you kidding me? It cost you 75 bucks to make that? Your house looked like a mansion. You have like pretty chandeliers. I'm pretty sure you can afford. Come on, come on.
That was actually much harder than it looked to me. Like there's not much rest, but I can totally see why people like it because it's very organized and it's very relatable to everyone. There's like minimal space, little to no equipment, and you know, it's only 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So I mean, I can see why she blew up very, very quickly during quarantine because we all need stuff like this.
I'll pay that invoice that you sent
I started
now,
off strong,
okay?
but then finished. If you watch something that you like on YouTube, they show you guys a full day of eating, and it shows you this many calories and you're the exact same size and weight. That does not mean it's the same calories that you should be eating because you got to factor in other things in life, like your workouts. How often are they working out? How intense are their workouts? And how many steps are they getting? So many things. So you look at Chloe Ting, she's not very big, but it seems like a lot of food, but we don't know what she's doing off camera. We don't know if she's getting like 20,000 steps.
I say this all the time and I'm gonna say it again. Do not compare your calories to my calories because we're gonna burn different amount of calories first of all, and also my weight is different from yours and my body composition is different. Maybe I have more muscles, maybe I have less muscles. And also if you need help with your diet, see a dietitian. Just see someone. I don't think that anyone looks at my video and follows it to the T. Like that doesn't make sense. People normally adjust it based on their appetite. But sure, whatever, it's my fault. Misinformation, I'm a fake eater, I'm a scammer. Let's just keep blaming me for all these hypothetical things that fitness experts made about me online.
All right, this is outrageous, the size of this thing. And she actually says this is a small portion. I mean, I respect it, you know. To say that's a small portion and low carb,
Yeah.
that's pretty crazy. So it's 60 grams of carbs per serving, and the calories per plate are 693 calories, 39 grams of protein, 60 grams of carbs, and 33 grams of fat. I mean, I'm not complaining about
It
the size
looks
of this thing.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Like it's very appealing.
Yeah, so I mean, no oil on the veggies. You're just playing with the sauce on the side. It's good, always good to have sauce on the side because it's better to have it and not need it.
That's right, like I don't think that there's that much fat in this dish, by the way. He said that there's 33 grams of fat, but I think he's just taking the upper extreme. If you don't use all the sauce, then it's gonna be a lot less.
It's starting to catch up to me right now. Like, I don't know how this fits in her belly. Like this is, this probably weighs more than her. Probably is bigger than her.
This is
Jesus.
not big. I don't know. I don't think that was a big portion because it's mostly vegetables.
Okay, so this is the workout we are doing today, the 10-minute butt workout. Great thumbnail, don't you think, Mom?
I think it looks pretty
It
good.
reeled me right in. So,
Thank
a
you.
lot of people give her flack saying that 10 minutes is not enough for a workout, and I would tend to agree that's not enough, but she actually doesn't promote that you do one every single day. She actually promotes that you do multiple, and I think that's great.
Oh man! I gotta say, I really appreciate this guy. Thank you for being so truthful and real. I wasn't expecting this because every time when I look at videos like this, people always take things out of context and say things like Chloe Ting only promotes 10 minutes workouts. But if you look at my schedule, you can clearly tell the average workout time is not 10 minutes. But haters just gotta be like, you know, 10-minute workout stupid, Chloe Ting is stupid. They just wanna hate me. So yeah, well, thank you. I appreciate that. There's a lot of nice B-rolls.
I don't know how she keeps a straight face when she does this stuff, do you?
What you talking about? Dude, I have a straight face, really? You remind me of Dan Humphrey in that show, You. Dan Humphrey. What's his name? You look super intense.
I can feel the blood flow in my butt.
Yeah.
Holy, the glute pump right now is real. We're making the scallop and shrimp zoodles, which is zucchini noodles. That's good.
Really good.
This is good. This is the best thing all day. For sure. Wow. All right, so that is gonna wrap up the full day of eating. How do you feel?
I like your mom. She's so
Too much
cute.
food, too little food, just right. What do you think?
I'm gonna do like a Goldilocks. Just right.
Just right? I mean, too little for me, obviously. So the total calories for the day was 1,745, 141.5 grams of protein, 172.5 grams of carbs, and 54.5 grams of fat. I mean, there's nothing crazy there. I totally think that she's not a fake eater. I don't know what Greg was smoking that day. He filmed that video.
I don't know either,
I don't know,
because
Greg.
I weigh the
Too
same
much.
as her, and I could eat it.
Yeah, too much artificial sweeteners, man. It's getting up here. You know, I think she's great. Super cute.
Oh
Super
my
cute
God,
voice.
I love, she's so cute.
Yeah.
And then I got this t-shirt because she was wearing
Yeah.
it, so then I got this, like, you know.
Yeah, so I think she's
Honor
awesome.
Chloe Ting.
I think she's awesome. My
I
overall
liked
thoughts
her
is that,
workouts.
yeah, great workouts. I think
Just add as many as you want.
Yeah.
Wake up and you
Thank
say, I think I'll do an ab, and I'll
Thank
do
you,
an
Mom.
upper body, and I'll
You're
do a
really
booty.
sweet.
And just, there you go.
I think she's great. Yeah. So overall, I don't think she's a fake eater at all. You know?
No.
You don't think so either?
I think I liked her a lot, and I
I
liked
like
the
you
food,
a lot
and
too.
I enjoyed it.
Thank you. I'm so glad that you like my recipes and enjoy my workout. I really appreciate it. So there you go, guys. I believe that Will is a guy too. He's got a mom and she can do my workouts too. So yes, mom and guys can do my workouts. And also check out his channel if you like his intense stare. I haven't actually watched any of his videos, so I'm not sure what he says, so you just gotta figure it out yourself.
Hey guys, my name's Jamie. I am a personal trainer from London,
Hello,
and today I'm going to be going
Jamie.
through 3 of Chloe Ting's workouts.
3.
Okay, so I've got to be honest, prior to today I hadn't heard of Chloe Ting, but having watched some of her workouts, I think it's going to be easy. No, jokes aside, I think it's going to be tough. I am looking forward to it. Okay, time to give Chloe Ting's 15-minute leg and booty workout a go. I'm going to start with the band walks with my lovely pink band. Couldn't have given me a more manly colour. Okay, all right, let's go, down. And 10 seconds in, my legs are absolutely on fire.
You're on fire now.
If I don't end up looking like the Kardashians after this. Is it time yet? Oh my God. Okay, legs are literally shaking right now. Right now, into the lateral.
Well, I think your resistance is probably really strong.
I'm never gonna slay people who do booty classes. This is absolutely brutal. 2 exercises in. Oh,
Wonky legs.
oh, oh my God.
Do not skip leg days, guys. Higher,
Already
higher.
it starts to burn. It's another exercise I do all the time, obviously. Do any guys do this? I never see any guys in the gym doing this.
I've never seen guys do this as well.
Right, definitely time for the other side. It's gotta be
Higher.
tighter bands than this.
Higher.
Crikey. Guys, if you're watching this, you think it's easy, you definitely got to give it a go. It's absolutely brutal. Okay, not gonna lie,
sweating.
that was hard. As you can see, I'm sweating. I would say these exercises are very good for glute activation, but are they gonna build your booty? Probably not. The exercises I would suggest if you're gonna be doing them at home would be a Bulgarian split squat, which is where you're gonna kind of have your back foot normally elevated, but you can have it on the floor. You're gonna hinge at the hips and drop that back knee down. I say that one is very good for building this. And you can also stick with things like a Romanian deadlift with a band. So you wrap the band underneath your toes.
You know, that's the problem. People try one workout and think that's it. That's the Chloe Ting workout. She sucks. She did not use squats. She did not do lunges. She did not do Romanian deadlifts. She sucks.
Okay, we're gonna try Chloe Ting's 2-week ab challenge, which is no doubt gonna get these abs sizzling.
Yeah, engage that core. Your abs will love you and hate you at the same time.
Always one of my favorite. I swear the way Chloe puts these workouts together makes them so much harder. Probably got my t-shirt riding up. I'm gonna watch this back later. I'll be like, oh my God, what's going on with my form? All right, I'd love to say that was easy, but it was actually...
Your form was good.
Okay, so those exercises were really effective for building a six-pack and strengthening your core. Planks are probably some of the best exercises that you can do, and there's quite a lot of variation there. Okay, so in terms of effectiveness, I would give the workout a solid 9 out of 10. In terms of difficulty, I would give it a solid 11 out of 10. My abs were on fire doing that, so definitely recommend this in terms of strengthening. And
this workout is actually not as difficult as some of my newer ab workouts though. For those of you guys who have done my abs workout or my HIIT workout, you gotta give yourself a big pat here because you guys have done well. Very good.
Okay, we're gonna try Chloe Ting's 2-week shred challenge, but we have a special guest, Ariana.
Ariana Grande!
So Jamie has convinced me to do the workout with him after much coercion, so you can do them faster.
Okay, let's go. So where the competitive spirit. Let's go.
It's cute.
That isn't too bad, I don't think.
What are you talking about? I'm dying. Speak for yourself. Oh my God. What on earth?
Prepared for this. All right,
This is going to be
give it my
absolutely
best shot.
horrendous.
It's not gonna be that bad.
sorry.
Come on, you guys are strong.
Let's get on sync again.
This is like another dance thing, isn't it? It's really tired.
You can do it.
So Jamie, as a
They're
PT,
so sweaty.
how would you rate that workout?
Very effective, absolutely brutal. I mean, I tend to do weights 3 to 4 times a week, not that you can tell. And that absolutely killed me. It was very, very challenging.
My workouts aren't magical or super tough or super easy. It's really dependent on your fitness level. And also I have so many workout videos. There are some that are quite easy, some are more difficult, and some are even more difficult than the 2-week shred challenge. So I do have mostly body weight workouts, but I also have weighted workouts for upper body, for legs, for booty, for abs, and also it depends on what you're more conditioned to. Like if you're more conditioned to doing body weight workouts, then you'll find it easier. And if you do weighted workouts with longer rest time, you'll find these sort of workouts a little bit more difficult. And if you are someone who does body weight workouts, you'll find some weighted workouts more challenging. It depends on what you're adapted to, and that's the reason why you change it up to make it a little bit more challenging. It's really hard to please everyone in one single video, and that's the reason why people like to, I guess, bash me based on 1 or 2 videos they have seen, or 5 videos, whatever it is. They created a false impression of me, or they could take it out of context, and I think that's all I want to say. But overall, these guys are really nice. I was expecting the worst because I don't want to expect good things anymore. But thank you guys so much. Like I said in my previous video, if you have not watched my previous video, my Q&A video, please do watch it. Some people just want to hurt me, just want to see me suffer. It's sad, but it is what it is. I don't really let these things bother me, so I'm generally okay. I'm really happy and also really thankful that these guys are being truthful and not jump on the bandwagon of just hating me, because after all, a lot of gym bros just despise me. It's really refreshing to see content like this instead of the negative ones. So thank you guys so much. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, because I did, and do check them out. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video because you know that it will help me out. Like and comment both, please. And I'll see you guys in the next video. A new program is coming out soon. In a week. So check it out in a week on my channel. It'll be live, yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.